Good morning, welcome to Altered Life. My name's Cody, and today we are going wheeling. Unfortunately, we're not going wheeling with any of my vehicles because we go in here. That thing still needs a lot of work. I'm not allowed to wheel this thing anymore because, stuff like that happens. So Lauren doesn't let me drive this anymore off-road. Since I can't use any of my rigs, I was fortunate enough to be invited to ride along in a pretty awesome rig, and we're gonna head up to AOAA. We're gonna try out a new trail, and I'm super pumped that I got a chance to do this. So I'm going to finish loading up, get my stuff for the day, and hit the road, and we'll talk to you guys once we get to the park. All right, see you there. All right, everyone, we made it. We're in the Jeep. Alex Benet here. He's the one that invited me along to ride with him. You guys have seen his Jeep when we were out in Colorado. So you guys know this thing works. And we are heading to the brand new Mammoth Trail. We have a rad group of Jeeps with us. And I will try to show as many of the rigs as possible through the day. I don't really know how the day is going to play out, so sit back, ride along, and we'll see you guys at the trailhead. That's awesome. So Alex, what are you doing here?
I'm going to heat up my lunch. It's called a muff pot for a snowmobile. Thank you. And you just put whatever you want to have for the day. Cooked chicken. It has to be cooked, obviously. Cooked chicken, steak, whatever. I have the wife, Allie, made me fresh pepperoni rolls. So I brought some marinara, and heat those bad boys up and eat them later on.
Nice hot lunch on the trail. I'm going to steal that idea from Alex whenever my Jeep gets closer to being done, because that's rad. All right, well, it looks like we are starting to get the first tires on rocks here. As you guys just saw, there are a ton of rad rigs, some awesome Jeeps that I've been wanting to see in person, and I actually get to see them wheel. So I'm pretty stoked about today. It's gonna be rad.
You should be ready.
So we're gonna go see how some of these guys do. We have some awesome people and rigs here. We got Flex Rocks rollovers, we got Bleepin' Jeep, Off-Roading Chill, Chuck and Mason Converse, Mischief Maker with Holly, just a bunch of people that I know I'm missing people that are here, but it is a rad group of awesome rigs. We got Matt from Bleepin' Jeep now, getting going. There's Andrew Bailey's old rig. There's Flex Rocks rollovers over there. So we have the trailhead here starting, got a few Jeeps on the rocks, and more to come. We've got Axel's YJ here. Marvin's driving it from Flex Rocks rollovers. This is one of my favorite YJs ever. I based a lot of my ideas of my build off that Jeep. It's so cool to see it in person. So there's Marvin. We got Chuck Converse here. Super rad. So many capable rigs. Look at that. Leaf springs. Yes. speaks to the soul. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm so happy to see this, because it's a man.
Brethren.
It's my brethren. My Leaf Spring brethren. Hi, puppy.
Avoid that bottom hole.
Leah has a freaking rad buggy. Can't wait to see that thing work. She's been here on this trail before. Yes. Camera does not do these rocks justice at all. These things are massive, massive boulders with huge holes. clunky metal noises going on from up there. Might be a front drive shaft.
And we're not even to the big rocks yet. Like,
Just
this isn't even the big ones yet.
this is the dirt road to the big rocks.
I think we're past the dirt road now. I think we're actually into the rocks. The big rocks are up ahead. So yeah, we're getting there, but this is still like mediocre Rockville.
Wonder if she rear steers the other way. There you go.
Now go forward.
Yep.
Pull down as you go forward.
There it is. That's a good pull.
I mean, you need like a 50-inch tire.
This trail is gnarly. I feel like I've done horrible at filming, but don't mind the goofy helmet. It is one of the requirements for the trail. But trucking along. Yep.
got this. You gonna keep going or?
I'll try. There's nothing I can do.
What about you, Matt? What are you thinking?
No, I'm done. I'm good.
All right. Well, unfortunately, since the group was too big, we got to this point on the trail a little too late, and this trail actually has a time limit you have to be off by, so we're gonna have to stop it here in the middle of the trail, and then just have to come back another time and do it. So we have a few broken rigs, drive shafts, brake lines, a couple other stuff, so it was a lot of fun though. A lot of fun. I can't wait to have my YJ out here on this. Well, we're back on the trailer. We kind of wrapped up the trail there, got packed up, rolled off. They were closing that side of the park by 5, so we had to be out. Unfortunately, we didn't get to finish the trail, but we'll be back. We're gonna finish this trail. I know I want to put tires on it one day. Alex definitely wants to finish it out one day. So
Definitely.
yeah, it was a good day. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, Alex, thank you for letting me
for
ride
coming.
along.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
it was a blast. So
Yeah,
with that, what?
I said my pleasure.
Yeah, it was a blast. But
Good time.
with that, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.